Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and this is Miss Cali Cat.
Miss Cali Cat, say hi.
Yeah, no hi today. Alright, so today I have a Rocksbox. I love Rocksbox. Rocksbox is a jewelry rental subscription. They send you, they start off kind of like once a month, but they send you these 3 pieces of jewelry, normally a designer brand, $21 a month. So $21 a month, but you can get multiple boxes in a month if you send them back quickly. So say you're gonna wear it one day, you send it right back, you can get another box within that month, but you still are only paying that $21 for the whole month. You rent the jewelry, you keep it as long as you want. If you do decide that you want to keep something, you know, there's one piece, you're like, oh, it just matches everything in my wardrobe, I've got to keep it. You can buy it. They do have a member price, so you get a little bit of a discount on it. And that $21 that you paid for the month is credited to you. And of course, if you do get a referral, you get forever credit, which never expires. You know, the $21 will expire at the end of the month if you don't use it within that month. But the forever credit, you keep forever. So if you want to use my link and give me some forever credit, I really appreciate it. You know I love it when y'all do that. It is down below in the description. So it comes in the little bubble bag, then it's in a box. It looks like it got a little mushed by the mail. That happens. But we're gonna look inside and see what's in here. Hey, gorgeous. Okay, so they give you a card that tells you how to care for the jewelry, and then in here it tells you what is in the box and what happens next, all that good stuff. You know, it tells you to follow them on Instagram. Let's see what the pieces are. Oh, I'm already excited because I can see Kendra Scott. I love it when they send me Kendra Scott stuff. I love Kendra Scott. They also have the return label in the bottom of the box. You just put it on that white mailer, put everything back in it, send it back to them. And if you're not going to keep anything, you don't have to check out online. But if you do want to keep something, you have to tell them, you know, you're going to keep it. So let's just look. Kendra Scott. Love Kendra Scott. Pretty excited because next month is my birthday, and during your birthday month, when you go to the actual Kendra Scott store, you get half off for 1 piece. So I'm very excited about that. It says this is sterling silver and 18 karat gold vermeil jewelry. I don't know what vermeil means. Fine jewelry. Just tells you care instructions, you know, be careful about water, perfume, makeup, swimming, all that good stuff that could damage your jewelry. Oh, look, it is just a cute little bracelet. Look at that. Can y'all see the emblems? I hope it's focusing for y'all. I can't see. Let me do this. Look how pretty, and it's just solid on the other side. It's just a cute little bracelet. Let's read about it. Kendra Scott Rue Cuff Bracelet in gold, $48. Very cute. I do love a bracelet. I haven't been wearing them as much lately, simply because when I'm typing, when I'm editing my stuff, it just seems to get in the way. Y'all, my hair is a mess today. I got in the pool and I didn't do anything to it. I just put some leave-in conditioner in it and just let it fall down. So sorry if it's a mess. This one says Rudiment. So I have been seeing these on the website a lot, and I had put on my wish list that I did want to receive one of these. They're Zodiac necklaces. They have your Zodiac sign on it. Pretty that, wait, is it, there we go. Look how pretty that is. Of course, I'm a Leo. Like I said, next month is my birthday. Look how pretty that is. Just a little something. Oh, I love it. I've been seeing on their website, they've been pushing the zodiacs, the moon, stars, stuff like that has been really popular lately. This is the Rudiment Zodiac MOP Pendant in Leo. My member price is $55. Retail would be $65. So this is my last piece. It is a SLATE piece. And they're earrings. Look at that. They have that chain. Let me take it off here so you see better. They have that chain appearance. It's very popular, that chunky chain. Let's just stick one in. I also just put them both in. I mean, really. I hope those guineas eat the army worms. We're being attacked by army worms. When we were in the pool, it was like they were crawling in the pool with us, and we were having to net them out while we were in the pool. It was kind of creepy. I don't like them army worms. I was starting to wonder if I could get it in. Alright, so there they are. Pretty cute. I so forgot to tell you about these earrings. I was ending the video. I don't know what I'm thinking. Okay, so these are the SLATE Huxley Huggies. They are, the member price is $38. The retail price is $45. What do you think? Which one do you like? Do you like any of them? Do you like all of them? Tell me what you think. I love to hear y'all's opinion. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends, and press that notification bell so you know when I'm putting more videos out. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.